You are a yummy pack of strawberries. There are 6 of you. You are cleanly washed and ready for consumption. We're going to speak about ChainLink. And if you don't own ChainLink, you still have a lot of lessons to learn with this. You apply it to every single cryptocurrency that you ever come across, that you touch with consent, of course, signed on the dotted line. Cryptocurrency like ChainLink can confuse you because it has had great news and fundamentals, but no one has cared. Absolutely nobody, because of the power of cycles. So here I am making a joke. It would be funny if this next ChainLink SmartCon, isn't that funny? It's called like a smart conference, but like a smart, con as in losing all your money. The next ChainLink SmartCon being one of the most irrelevant and useless ones. Imagine it's the one where ChainLink actually pumps ahead of the market. Seeing as it failed on staking, CCIP, and Swift. Baby dolls, strap in for this one. Make sure you got your back straight. Because this is the poopy ChainLink chart. But I'm going to dive in deep. I'm going to put it down to a daily chart. And I just want you to know that throughout this chart, there were moments in time where we all lost our mind. For example, I remember staking got released here. ChainLink staking, they were talking about this since the year 2019. Yes, that's right. There was a year before 2020. 4 years ago, they were talking about staking. And they finally introduced it. And then we went up. No one cared. Oh man, that was really depressing. Imagine dropping 40% after you've been waiting for 4 freaking years for staking. What's interesting, just to let you know, even though it was just inflation staking, it wasn't the real true final form of staking, it doesn't matter. The damage was done. It hurt. Man, it hurt. And then you think, okay, it's just the market. It was like the FTX collapsed here, by the way. This is the FTX collapse. So then you think, all right, there's another bullish news narrative, right? Well, let's continue. You know what happens, friends? Have you heard of CCIP? CCIP Tech, Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol. It's literally ChainLink taking Polkadot to zero. It is the chain that connects everything together. Ethereum, Solana, Pulse Chain, everything in the future. They're all going to connect through CCIP in the middle. And it's going to feed and burn and bridge and move all tokens in a trustless and very low-cost way. That was released here. Look what happened. Poopy town. Nothing, friends. There was absolutely nothing to cheer for. Congratulations, you're up 33%. Wow. Congratulations. By the way, CCIP, they were waiting from this literally since day one. 2017, 2018. CCIP is the ChainLink tech. It is ChainLink. CCIP is actually ChainLink. It's merging everything together. And we dropped 33% on that. So not only have you taken one blow, now you're on the second blow. You think, okay, third time's lucky. Is it? Is it? You know what happened, friends? Right here. The bug eaters, Swift, the actual international payments, Swift. It dropped on Swift. Nobody cared. Swift actually came out and officially, not like joking, no blurry words, no metaphors. They came out and said, hey, we're actually using ChainLink tech and we really like it. We eat bugs. We want you to eat bugs. We're the bug eating overlords and we're intergalactic aliens and we want to control you. Swift come out and say that. No one cares. Sell. Man, this was frustrating. This was the third blow. Fundamental news 1. Fundamental news 2. Fundamental news 3. No one cares. Destruction. Do you want to know how powerful that Swift announcement was for XRP? Swift and XRP were rumored to be working together, okay? Maybe they went and partied in a cubicle together, had some illicit substances. XRP literally did 14x in the space of 21 days. Wow. 2017-18, man, what a crazy year. Congratulations to crypto for existing in that year. It's such a shame that we don't get anything anywhere like this ever again. But it is what it is. This was early majority, right, of the adoption phase. So XRP did literally 14x in 21 days off a Swift rumor. You know, Ripple, very smart, they did not come out to deny the rumors. They let it keep going and going and going. They came out to just let everybody know nothing. They never commented on it. They wanted to keep going. What happened to ChainLink on that? Nothing. You got nothing. Congratulations. XRP got 14x on a rumor. You get minus 20% on the fact. Remember, I'm here to guide you, friends. I'm here to tell you that we are friends. And I'm telling you now, cycles are the most powerful thing on earth. Don't try to like figure it out. Maybe it's the moon. Maybe it's Jupiter. Maybe it's our hormones. Don't worry, man. It is what it is, okay? People get in greedy moods and then we get in fear moods. That's it. Your testosterone goes high. It's very true, by the way. And sometimes dips low. Sometimes you're in a crying mood. Oh, sometimes you want to do some push-ups. It is what it is. With women, it's more obvious. With men, we go through testosterone cycles too. Everything goes in cycles. The whole planet's a cycle. Sun goes up, sun goes down. You can't control that. So what's there to learn from here? Well, it doesn't matter what your coin is. You know, I can even use other examples too. You could use a Hex example too, right? So we know with Hex, Pulse Chain launched. Pulse Chain launched after 2 years. Did it matter? No. In fact, it was negative value. Everything got destroyed. Doesn't matter. Okay? But it's not so easy, friends, because I remember telling people, hey, I want our prices to go up. I'm just scared that crypto is still in that bear market because Bitcoin is below the all-time high and all of this news will get faded off. This is what I'm telling you now, okay? You like, subscribe, bell button, or share with your friends and family. We're here to shock the algorithm. Please don't waste your time talking to other people. They will FUD you out of the right move every time. By definition, you are contrarian. When you're contrarian, friends, our mouths are closed. We are using our ears. This is your cute little ear, okay? We are literally listening all the time. That's what we're here to do, okay? You also have googly eyes, mind you, and you have a smiley face. So you are here to listen as a contrarian investor, trader, speculator, whatever it is. Because buying low, selling high, it is what it is. You can't make money going with the crowd. We can't. The emotional money is too fierce and ferocious. They don't price things up like just a little bit. In crypto, we take it to the freaking extreme. They keep buying and buying and buying and buying. And also, they keep selling and selling and selling and selling. It's very important. ChainLink, beautiful example. Now, this is why I'm saying I've been in markets for a long time. It does a lot. They do a lot of weird things. They always leave you skeptical. They always leave you a bit paranoid. But it's good. The best investors out there are always paranoid. Okay? Don't believe like Warren Buffett going like, oh, golly gee, I just trust all these people. They don't trust poop. Okay? These people, they can't even sleep at night. They probably sleep with a spoon under their pillow. That's how paranoid they are. Their fluffy slippers are ready to go straight out of bed. They are paranoid. Tomorrow, weird, like some leaf falls from a tree and that's it, market wants to sell off. These type of things happen. So these weird things can happen on the upside too. So that's why I mentioned in this post to tell you that there is a smart con coming out for Chainlink and it's very irrelevant. Like it doesn't even matter. But there's a chance. It just starts to go up. There is a chance, right? It just starts to go up from it. And it makes no sense. It's like, hang on. How come you had 3 giant pieces of fundamental news and it didn't make you go up, and then the most useless ones make you go up? That's why I'm here to teach you the lesson. If you invest based off news, you will get crushed. You will constantly be buying highs and you will be constantly be selling lows. Bad news comes at the bottom. Good news comes at the tops. Always. Most of the time. And here's the thing. When good news comes out at the bottoms, the market doesn't even react to it, as you saw here with all the failures. It doesn't even react. So you won't even believe it's good news. Because the prices went down, people are now saying, oh, the staking, it wasn't actually that good, right? CCIP, because it went down, people say, oh, yeah, we waited for the tech, but, it's not making that much money, so it's not worth it. Doesn't really matter, man. They're going to buy Ethereum up just on ETF rumors. So we got to play ahead of the game. And just to add, with ChainLink, so Australia, we have a bank called ANZ. It is known to follow the most anti-crypto experiment laws from the government. It's true. It's true. They always do the most draconian, harshest measures, anti-crypto. They remove cash. ANZ stands for Australia New Zealand Bank, right? It is an abomination, but they're going to choose someone. There's big four banks. They choose someone. They're all abominations. Okay, so they try to censor and ban cash. But interesting, they are the bug eater chosen bank. They're actually working with ChainLink. On September 18th, Sergey Nazarov, which is the founder of ChainLink, and Nigel, who has no friends, of ANZ, will be opening Sibos 2023 with a talk of how ChainLink is going to connect traditional finance with blockchains. I've told you many times, friends, look, I can't control this price going up, man. I wish I could, okay? I wish it meant something. It doesn't, all right? We're linked to Bitcoin and Ethereum liquidity. But I can sleep at night with a sleepy emoji, knowing that, you know what? At least I'm on the bug eater side. Because when it comes to many of these other layer 1 chains, they're not at deep discount for me to see a future for them. We're just the middle of the range. I want something I can sleep with at night. That's it. Sleep comfortably, knowing that the bug eaters are going to push this forward. And when it comes to this, there's going to be, what the little blocks here, these are private blockchains. And up here, you're going to have ETH, right? You're going to have, Solana. You're going to have everything else. You're going to have your Pulse chain. Okay, and then you have your ChainLink, CCIP. CCIP Chainlink, they're actually going to connect all the private blockchains. And they're going to be able to talk to each other. And it's also going to connect all of, Solana, Ethereum, Pulse chain. This is what they're talking about here. This is the future. Now, don't ask me when it's coming or how it's coming. I don't have any shirts with a front pocket and a pen. I promise you. I just know one day it's coming. And you know what the sad part is? When it's actually here, it's probably time to sell. Whatever the price is. When they actually start doing this thing, when it's like, oh, wow, we're actually doing this thing. Okay, get out. That's just the game. When they're actually starting to be profitable. But you've learned now. Okay, cycles are very powerful. You can put a twist on it with some proper fundamental work. And yes, there is great news. There's evidence of ANZ testing their new CBDC, the Australian Dollary-Do, on the CCIP testnet. If you still don't get it, you are beyond help. Just drop a picture of the chart and be on your way. So this person is on 4chan talking about Sergey and Chainlink. It is what it is, friends. It is what it is. We have the fundamental news. You can't do anything beyond here except go, okay, I am now either in DCA mode or HODL mode, or I'm going to rotate poopy into it, or just completely ignore it. At least you've learned how to be smarter, friendlier, wiser. Keep your back straight, friends. Make sure you get your fluffy slippers on. Like, subscribe, blah, blah, and all. I'm going to finish these strawberries, by the way. I'm going to catch you in the next one.